Looking for the best keyboard pianos in 2026? In this video, we review top digital keyboards for beginners, intermediate players, and professionals. From weighted keys to realistic sound quality and smart features, we break down performance, portability, and value. Whether you're learning piano or upgrading your setup, these top picks will help you find the perfect keyboard piano for your needs and budget. Number 3. The ROCjam 506161 Key Keyboard Piano Super Kit is a beginner-focused keyboard bundle that offers great value for those just starting their musical journey. With 61 full-size keys, it provides a comfortable and familiar layout while remaining compact and portable, ideal for kids, students, or casual players. This keyboard comes packed with features, including 200 tones, 200 rhythms, and 30 demo songs, all easily accessible through a simple LED display. These options make learning more engaging and allow beginners to explore different sounds and styles. The built-in teaching function, along with compatibility with the Simply Piano app, adds extra support for those learning at home. One of the highlights of this bundle is the included accessories. You get a keyboard stand, padded bench, headphones, and keynote stickers, making it a complete starter kit right out of the box. The stand is adjustable and sturdy enough for everyday use, while the bench offers decent comfort for practice sessions. Additional features like record and playback, a pitch bend wheel, and AUX input allow for creative experimentation and playing along with music. The option to power it via batteries also adds portability. While it's not designed for advanced players, it delivers everything a beginner needs. Overall, the ROCjam 5061 is a budget-friendly, all-in-one keyboard kit that makes learning piano accessible, fun, and convenient. Number 2. The Aliexpress 88 Key Recital Play Keyboard Piano Bundle is a beginner-friendly digital piano that offers impressive value with a complete all-in-one package. Designed for new players, it includes everything you need to start right away: stand, headphones, sustain pedal, carry bag, and even piano lessons. The keyboard features 88 full-size, touch-sensitive keys, giving it a realistic feel that helps build proper playing technique. While not fully weighted like higher-end models, the responsiveness is good enough for beginners to develop finger control and dynamics. One of its biggest strengths is the extensive sound library, offering 480 tones, 160 rhythms, and 140 demo songs. This variety makes practice more engaging and allows users to experiment with different musical styles. Built-in learning tools like lesson mode, split mode, metronome, and recording add real educational value. Sound quality is clear and enjoyable through the built-in speakers, and the included headphones are a nice bonus for private practice. The USB MIDI connectivity also allows you to connect to learning apps and recording software, which is great for modern learners. Portability is another highlight. It's lightweight and can even run on batteries for practice anywhere. The only minor drawback is the included stand, which may feel slightly less sturdy than premium options. Overall, this Aliexpress bundle is a feature-packed, budget-friendly starter keyboard that delivers great versatility, making it ideal for beginners starting their musical journey. Number 1. The Yamaha P45 B88 Key Digital Piano is a popular entry-level digital piano that delivers an authentic playing experience at an affordable price. Designed for beginners and intermediate players, it features 88 fully weighted keys with hammer action, closely replicating the feel of an acoustic piano. This makes it an excellent choice for building proper finger strength and technique. One of the standout aspects of the P45B is its realistic sound quality. It includes 10 built-in voices, highlighted by a rich Yamaha grand piano tone that offers depth and clarity. The built-in speakers provide solid audio for practice sessions, while the headphone jack allows for quiet play anytime. The keyboard is intentionally simple, with easy one-button controls that keep the focus on playing rather than navigating complicated menus. It also includes useful features like split mode, allowing you to divide the keyboard into two identical ranges, great for lessons or duets. Connectivity is another plus, with USB support for linking to music software or learning apps. The included sustain pedal adds expressive control, enhancing your overall performance. While it doesn't offer advanced features found in higher-end models, it covers all the essentials extremely well. Overall, the Yamaha P45B is a reliable, great-sounding digital piano that combines authentic feel, simplicity, and value, perfect for anyone starting or continuing their piano journey. And that's our roundup of the best keyboard pianos in 2026. Whether you're just starting out or upgrading your setup, the right keyboard can make a huge difference in your playing experience. Got a favorite keyboard we should review next? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear your recommendations. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more music gear reviews. Keep practicing, keep playing, and we'll see you in the next one.